Welcome back to Target Study YouTube channel. Hello everyone. In a country obsessed with the prefix of an engineer, it is almost imperative for parents to dream of their kids being one. In junior classes, you will get to hear all sorts of dreams from the kids. You will come across wannabe pilots, defense officers, art teachers, tango dancers, and photographers. But once they reach their junior college level, you will be amazed to find them rushing to some coaching institutes for preparing IIT joint entrance exam. What is such a rush all about? Why not follow your passion than be a part of the rat race? There are students who are really passionate about getting into the premier engineering colleges and graduating from there. Many youngsters dream of creating their own unique identity in engineering fields. The vast opportunities offered today are unparalleled. The advanced IT training prepares the student to be a torchbearer in IT revolution. Today, graduates from Indian Institute of Technology and several other Indian engineering colleges are holding top positions in Google, Microsoft, and several IT giants. Every now and then, we come across some architectural marvels around the world. Just imagine the pride associated with the architects of Burj Khalifa. There are many students who want to share this pride and prestige. IITs allow students to bring these dreams to reality. The high quality of faculty and exposure is unparalleled. IITs were established with the motto of promoting industrial development in war-torn India. Over the subsequent years, they grew in number as well as student capacity. They began to attract the attention of companies all over the world. Obviously, the youngsters found themselves attracted towards these institutions. But this is also a sad reality that the seats are limited in IITs. So when not so lucky kids fail to clear JEE, they begin to lose hope as if their world has ended. Come on guys, the world is full of opportunities. Do you think Mark Zuckerberg needed a degree from MIT to create Facebook? He had passion, he followed his dreams. He did not get bogged down by the academic requirements, and he won! So, when you realize that you failed to clear IIT joint entrance exam, spare a few moments and introspect. Try to find your real calling. And if you realize that engineering is not the one, then work towards your real calling, guys. You can appear in entrance exams for NIFT, NID, law colleges, CA, CS, allied medical fields like biomedical engineering, lab technicians, and so on. If you are really into computers, you can consider doing BCA and MCA. As a matter of fact, people with MCA are paid the same as engineering graduates from any of the IITs. And if you are passionate about being an engineer, then look at other engineering colleges. We have got several National Institutes of Technologies and IIITs that offer equally good education and environment. You will get an equal number of opportunities there. And always remember, it is the talent that matters. Try to exhaust all the opportunities provided to you in these NITs and IIITs. When you work really hard and smart, you're bound to succeed. Along with NITs and IIITs, we have got a number of renowned state-run or private engineering colleges like PEC, BITS Pilani, BIT Mesra, KIIT, and Thapar Engineering College, etc. to get your degree from. All these engineering colleges are also well reputed and boast of a rich faculty and alumni. You will be surprised to know Satya Nadella is not an IITian but alumni of Manipal Institute of Technology. What I want to convey here is, when Satya would have failed in an IIT entrance exam, he too would have been unhappy. But he did not let that failure stop him from achieving his dreams. He worked hard in college and let the fire to succeed be in him forever. Today, he might be the CEO of biggest IT firm, but he did start modestly. So when you too fail to clear IIT, take it as a chance to work harder. You have nothing to lose but everything to gain. Work on your weaknesses and hone on your strong points. You have 4 years of engineering course to make a concrete road towards your success. Utilize the chance. Was Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose having an IIT degree? No, IITs were not even established in his time. He graduated from University of Calcutta. But it was his endeavor and efforts that made him one of the greatest scientists of all times. Having an IIT badge is not everything, but having the persistence to excel does matter. And who can forget our own missile man, APJ Abdul Kalam? Even he wasn't an IITian. He did his engineering from a state engineering college and went on to be the soul of India's missile mission. But then he did work hard, and only that matters at the end. We are not saying that IITs are bad. In fact, they are damn good institutes of technology. But we are emphasizing that IITs are not the end of the world for engineering aspirants. If you wish to get into the field of architecture, always appear for NATA. This will give you chance to apply in premier architecture colleges of India. School of Planning and Architecture are spread all over the country. These are the ones that are most sought after by future architects. If you find yourself more inclined towards building structures with an aesthetic sense, then studying architecture should be your call. You can even pursue your career in interior designing. They have a huge demand these days. We have buildings all around us, and at the same time, we are facing space crunch. A good interior designer knows how to utilize the maximum space. You must have seen craze for space-saving furniture. So, when people or organizations get a new building, they consult an interior designer in order to make their home or office look presentable and comfortable. Most construction and architecture firms hire interior designers who work in sync with the architects. Along with all these options, you should really give it a nice thought if you really want to be an engineer. Talk to your seniors, teachers, or friends. We need to accept that Indian parents can't see anything beyond medical and engineering streams while the world is bubbling with opportunities. There are a number of websites that offer career advice. Interact with them. They deal with hundreds of students every day and have a good experience. They can suggest you a better career option to suit your personality and needs. They also have good knowledge of colleges and their fees along with the placement opportunities. If you're taking admission in some private engineering college, always inquire about the placements. There are tech colleges growing like mushrooms in our country. Majority of them don't even have a permanent faculty, let alone proper infrastructure. Graduates from these colleges face problems in getting jobs. Also, many colleges don't even have proper affiliations. They may have big hoardings on the prominent locations, but that does not mean that they are recognized. They may get front page news and big events every now and then. Just click on UGSC website. You will be shocked to know that some of these high-profile institutes come under the fake university category. You may get a job, but you will never be counted as a graduate. If you wish to appear for government services or UPSC exams, you will not be eligible. So never go after the advertisements. Do a proper background search before joining any college. If your economic status allows, you can go for engineering abroad. Many countries are known for their quality yet affordable education. You will get a global exposure there. You can learn the engineering techniques there and utilize them back home. But this option is strictly based on your economic status. And if you really want to study in IITs, then you can apply for them in their postgraduate and doctoral programs too. Your dreams can be fulfilled this way too, albeit for higher degree. But even for that, you need to qualify Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, that is GATE. But the only thing that I want to tell you is that dreaming of being an IITian is good, but don't make it your desperation. Work on your personal development and grow as a person. There are opportunities all around you. You can grow and become the CEO of a company even from a garage. Just don't lose hope. Look at the history of all the successful people. They have all stumbled in their life, but then gained their foot with confidence and hope. Take your failure as a learning step. Embrace the halt and find your shortcomings. Work on them. Work hard. Work smart. Utilize all opportunities available to you. You will be surprised to see that your failures have taught you lessons to succeed. You will be better equipped to deal with rejections. Not only that, with passing years, you will know the exact ways to succeed. Trust me, this is how great and successful people are made. They know how they have failed and ensure not to repeat the same mistakes. Just never lose hope and always be optimistic. And if you need some motivation, do think about Helen Keller. She fought all odds to be the greatest of all times. She rightly said, "Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence." So guys, that is all from this important video. I hope I was able to convey my message in an effective manner. Even if few of you could take right direction in your career, I will feel myself blessed. And if you people think that after watching this video, you will be able to think better and effectively, then please do like this video. Your comments and suggestions are always welcomed. To get regular notifications, please hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. We will be right back with new videos on career, education, and knowledge. Till then, have a nice time.